mina Hlanhlakane kanti ke namhlanje ngenilandela nabukhoma la ethembisa ekuruleni namhlanje ke la sizobona umama Joy uthi noma Ntumelo sengikhathele ukuthi ngithathe responsibility yomunye umuntu ake ngizwe ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani.
Lebitso la ka ke Joy Mokoena. I've got a grandson who is a special child, deaf and mute and autistic, and he attends school in Rosebank School for the Deaf. Inile ngwana wa ngwanake, and then ngwana Mewa High passed on ka 2012. The first 3-4 years, Papa High was in good contact le ngwana, a bonda le ngwana, a tlhokomela ngwana, a supporta ngwana. But ka 2019 a change. As tlhole a supporta ngwana, a sa rekele ngwana, in so much I got fed up ka Misa maintenance court. And then he said uta afford only 1.5. He started paying a chincha anza asa tlhole a patala tšhelete ya ngwana.
Koti
Coming.
Mama le kae?
Re teng le kae papa?
Re teng ka dula fatshe.
Dula fatshe.
Mo santsane bo teng bophelo mara.
Wai ra raga.
La raga. A re phile santsane re bo foster na choice. No man mama ke mang ka lebitso?
Na lebitso la ka ke Joy Mokoena.
Mme Mokoena. Ai no ke le bona ke nna ke Tumelo Matlala. Mama o re ngwaletse mane wa resort le ho etsalang?
Ntate ke rwele boima.
Wa iqala ka hore
Ke rwele boima. Ke na le setlogolo mo. Mama ga o tlhokofetse ka 2012 ana le 4 years. Mama ha tlhokofala, she was 36 weeks pregnant.
Yeah, 36 weeks pregnant.
Yes. Hore akule abeli these complications of pregnancy. Nana le stress. Hore why karabo ilisimumu, because he wasn't born ilisimumu.
Ha tsona le simumu.
Na bua abitsa mkhulu papa, ampitsa mama, abitsa mama hai ke Pinki le bitso la hae ne re mo teketetsa. Kinki adlala dipopai rona ra makala.
Hai me o re nna. Ha o nahana ho etsaetseng?
Na I don't know, because ke ile ka monka ka mo isa doctoring. Hantsa vela nasna monate sometimes ke sa itse keng doctor ba I'm check are I think one of his ears it deaf mar eardrum has burst.
Bale ha re khutlele ntabeng ya ntate ke batla utlwa hantle tate ho etsalang ka ntate ska ke tlile mo ka je ho etsalang?
Papa Karabo was accurate. We were like this mo ngwaneng wa hae.
I etsa everything
Top.
What change kae?
I don't know. 2019 a thoma mathaitai ka mona hore ha isa le ntatolo tla a nka ngwana ka di birthday, ha isa le ntatolo a tla a tswa le ngwana a sa tlhole a supporta ngwana. Ka mo isa ke mo isitse 2019 ko maintenance court. Ko maintenance court ba re tswe re lo bua a re why ke mtshwarisa ka re no nna a o sa nthusa ka nix. Are ene o tla afora nani ke bile nani ke rile ke batla 2000.
Okay.
Yeah, ke batla 2000 because Karabo is a special child. Deaf, mute and autistic. Ke di visit tse kae tse ke di tsamayang ke le 1. Ai ke a radumelana ka 1.5. Uno intsha anyamalle.
O re ngonna na.
This year nothing. He's owing something like 13,000 for this year, including tšhelete ya ngwana ya diaparo 1.5 ya diaparo 1.5 ya maintenance. Le December tshwantsa rek le last year ha so rekele ngwana diaparo di rekwa keng.
Ha o bua le ena or se ke le wa bua le ena?
Na re sana good communication right now. Because of ngwana are ha ke mo hlasela ko magistrate court or I'm trying to talk about personal things. Career since unyala.
Tla le excuses.
O tla le di excuses. And ntlo ya dulang ko yone. Ntlo ya dulang ko yone. O ithotse le ngwana ka na dula mo hero. ke ntlo e leng gore o e thotse le ngwanaka ke ha bokarabo a re ke itse ke ha bokarabo ka re but funny enough mosadi wa hao o na le bana ba tlileng le bone wa ba accommodate ba ja banwa ba robala le mo betheng ya Karabo because it's a small bond house ya 4-room like wa e bona so since ana rile ke ile ka mkopa ka re ke kopa o tlisetse Karabo bed because ba robala ka di twin bed and Karabo o na le mmele
mara o reng ha o mmotsa ka taba o santsa o mmotsa di challenge tse o mpotsang tsona ha o re santsa ntse challenge ke batla o thola ntle re tlo thola ntlo ke excuse
a re ene ha a bereke
according to wena o nana gore mathata ke gore o setsanyetse no o na le mosadi mo le bana o a che ha ikene taba ngwana hae
na I don't wanna lie gore maybe o nyetse ke bona a le irresponsible yena himself yes because even if o nyetse he knows very well gore ha mokwena o na le
yeah responsibility ka se
ba le gale antsa atla a tlhokomela ngwana
okay
yeah
ngono mme ke batla o thola hemo re lwanela chelete fela mola or lwanela le relationship between yena le ngwana
both
o di batla le pedi wa batla ba be le relationship
both ya batlega one ngwana o na le di appointment le di psychiatric a ke o on medication medication wa thank you for the rest of the child's life two di meeting tsa ngwana kai Rosebank ha ai
no mama go utlwile ya utlwala mthako santsa tholala nke responsibility hae before tsamaye mama ke kopa o botsisa di expenses tsa hao ka ngwana ka kgwedi di eme jwang
meaning chelete
ka di
tsa Karabo
o shebane ka Karabo
2000
ka kgwedi okay 2000 we o hlwantsha jwang
a ke 500 ke ho ya traveling 1000 ke school fees
traveling ho ya bo doctor okay 1000 ke school fees
yeah
okay
and then 500 enwe ke badileng dijo ne lunch
500 ya dijo so ke bo doctor 500 1000 ke school fees and then ya dijo ke 500 ke 2000 ka ofela ke yona ro e batlang mo
yes
kgwedi le kgwedi
no
ya utlwala mama ya utlwala ha re mathe re o hlakana le ghost re thole re mothako re mothola jwang bane ke utlwile ka tsebe teng o ro teng so ke kopa re tsamaye mama re mo mathise re go
okay
Cosmiat, Shapozet. Ngiyatholakala le ndoda. Boy, izisezofika endlini. Okay. Amajita siwastelile la. Ngiyabonga meyawuthi ngizolinda ukuthi akuwena ngizolungilaya nje. Ngiyabonga Nkosi no.
Hola. Are sortele mama ba mothothi. Dumela ntate. Le ga ntate. Ona le ntate o ke mmatlang o re tla tswa le yena. Knock. Sanibonani. Futhi kunjani? Ngicela wena la ngaphandle nje kancane. Sorry siyaxolisa nje ukuniphazamisa. Bengokucela kancane brother usokhuluma nje. Singamela lana brother nje sicede nje fast yabona. Mama ngicela umchazele singazomudla isikhathi simele ngapha nje.
Papa Karabo a ke re wa itse sa le ko tshwarisetsa maintenance since ngwanaka a tlhokofala ngwanaka o tlhokofetse ra mmoloka hantle wa tswela pele wa tlhokomela ngwana all of a sudden ka 2019 ha o sa supporta ngwana ka o isa maintenance ko maintenance wa re o tla patala 1.5 o rekele ngwana diaparo June and December you did it for 2-3 years wa tlohela then hona no umpha 1.5 wa tlohela 1.5 ha o sa rekela ngwana o na le 3 years o sa support ngwana then o na le case ko maintenance ha ba o botsa hore supporta ngwana ha o batle mosadi wa hao o ntlisetsa maponisa ba tshwere di R5 Hey, batho ba ndika hanya
ka ntlo bja
ditsokongku.
ke.
Yeah, o tsena ba o tla le maponisa
What's
nna
alarm
le ha ke
out?
mo tsebe.
A re ko ka e chance because mama ke
maintain
utlwile story sa hae, ke batla ho thola
I
why
never
Nkosi ya hao e
maintained
safara o le
one.
teng, mfethu.
O kolota close to 60,000.
Yeah.
O file ngwana
This
no
matter
ka
is
April
Mamela,
and
Putwa.
May.
Sure,
o
sure.
file
Mara,
only
Uthuma Gqweza, this
1,000,
matter is in
1,000.
court.
But the problem is ingosi yakhe isafara kanjani ukhona izizi yecourt ukhona.
Angisupport mina ingosi yami kokuqala ngisibhale program angisupport ina I've got slips la ngiyasupport every month.
That's why I'm
1,000
here.
rand.
That's why I'm here.
I've got slip
Sizothola
there.
ukuthi-
I've got a proof that I can ngimbhadele namanje
uthi umsupport ngoFebruary kuphela.
ayikho lento leyo.
2024 but it's high. Ke 2024.
Patala, uphathetha hayi one.
Kwenzakalani?
Bra. Yazi mina this thing
A ke
No,
tlo sokola
Rami,
ka
indaba
ngwana
yengosi ibalulekile because
o
ingosi ayikwazi
disabled, ngwana
ukusafara,
o
sikhona
deaf,
singamajita.
mute
Khona
and
manje.
Grand, yabona.
autistic.
Mamela, khona
O
manje-
medicationing.
uyangibiza umagogo ukuthi umntwana wami uyagula uyangithola.
Exactly.
It is because of
Man,
it's a-
listen to me, yazi
Yeah,
ngiyaphi?
yeah.
Uphethe 600 rand naye.
Yes.
Ngiyobhadala la. You understand? I wasn't aware ukuthi ungibizela nini.
The
Uyangiunderstand?
problem is dala
So,
zama ukuthi
do you think ukuthi mamela?
Yeah.
Kuba ngizanga, do you think I'm irresponsible?
that no, that's a fact. That's
Angiyabuza
a point.
ngisuka yazi ngisuka
That's a
ku
point.
Bedford ngishaya imoto.
That's a
Bathi umntwana
point.
uyableeda.
That's
La
a point.
600 rand. Ngiyobhadala la. I didn't aware
But
ukuthi ngibizela nini.
uya understand ukuthi wayenza kanjani. Because uyasafara mfethu umagogo. Uyasafara, you understand
Should
ukuthi
I die,
she even had to
ngwana
go
uyakaya?
and
Isa ngwana ya
ukuthi
home,
aqamba amanga
wara
ukuthi umntwana
wathi ngwana
uyagula
ya
because
home.
akakutholi Bram ukuthi wenza into egrand.
10,000 per annum. Se patalo ke mosadi moholo o. Transport ngwana o
And wena
patala
usaleva, Uthiyama.
1.6
Why?
uyipatala
Uthiyama support
ka
umntwana.
Wena ukayi kana.
Na kukhona Bram angikhulumi
There is a proof.
ngicela siyibone ke the proof. Ngicela siyibone le proof.
2025 ka.
Ngicela ukuyibona ke le proof Braz ngizoba fair ngingabi ngathi ngithatha iside lakhe.
No.
kuphela.
2024.
Athi siyibone le proof.
last month. Ithi
No, yabona ubalela last month kuphela. Uyayisho kana uyaconfirm ka last
It's
month.
1,000.
Kuthiwa wena Brazo. Uthiwa uthi ngicalele phansi mhlamba uyizwisisanga kahle. The whole of 2024 mama yasafari ingoseyilona. Kuyimanje ingosise sigele indaba ze school fees iyasafari and ukhona umncedisi. Asiyeke ke indaba ye 1000 because i 1000 it's a challenge okungukuthi I mean into okungukuthi uyayivuma ukuthi uyayenza but there are needs zomntwana uma umntwana akasekho. Ugogo umntwana. Umntwana ulethe uwe noma umntwana. Akakwazi ukuthi angathatha irresponsibility yakhe usesekhona emhlabeni Brazo.
No, that's true, Bram. Lapha I'm not disputing anything. That's
Yeah.
true. That's 100% true. But what I'm saying is, this matter uyithathe sayisa ecourt. I don't have a source of income. Namanje ngoJuly we are going back to court. I-court will decide.
But she doesn't have a source of income naye.
Nama anginayo source of income. my
Hayi
friend.
but awukwazi ngisho kanjalo Brazo ingosile thobani emhlabeni.
Mara angithi
Hayi
ngiyazama.
but awukwazi ukuthi ingose yakho Brazo. Awukwazi yabona leyo ishoyo manje ayikabi Bram ngifair ne between the
I
two.
don't have a source of income, but I'm trying. That's what
But
I'm
that's
saying.
what I'm saying
You understand?
trying must not be something that is affecting her.
But
Because umngosi mawiletha Bram it's not about
Listen,
trying.
bengilapha ecourt kunelawyer, the lawyer was there.
Mama kopa uyipuele kopa umuntu tse di challenges that we are going maybe he doesn't know what you're going through.
buang ku court. Ku court ba santsene ba re ba freeze
No ke bua ka taba di challenges ngwana what are the challenges that he faces?
Ngwana wa kula. Ngwana he's not normal ke tla re ka gore o deaf, mute and autistic. He's on treatment. 6 monthly o bona specialist.
No the cost.
The
But
cost
umbalele
tsa
tsona
ngwana-
because for 1,000
1,000 every month. His school fees for 10 months, which is 10,000. Then transport is 1.5.
and who's paying for that?
It's me, Mosadi Moholo.
Is it fair?
Nna gogo, ke nna ke
Yiyo ke into
patala.
engethalana ke mangabe mhlawumbe ngi-understand ukuthi
Tracksuit ya
ngikhuluma ngani.
ngwana A1 yesikolo
Kunento, Mamela, asibeni fair,
550.
gents. It's fair.
Yeah, it's
A1.
fair.
I can't buy one.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuraise amavoice ngeke usincede.
Not at all.
Sibadala,
Not at all.
masibadala,
True.
We are
Vumelana
trying to
nawe.
resolve this matter.
True.
You understand?
True.
This matter ilapha ecourt. You understand? Uthi umagogo ngiyamkolota ngimkolota almost 60,000.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ngamtshela imagistrate ngathi angiphikisi lutho but I'm trying. Uyangithola? I-court ye kumele decide ukuthi because you don't have a source of income sizayiqeda kanjani bekuno magistrate omunye we-Indian lo magistrate wathi magogo ngoba lo muntu akasebenzi ngcono sikhansele isikolo umagogo akafuni ukuthi sikhansele isikolo ufuna ngibhadale mina imali engiyikolotako ofuthi akufani ukuthi ngine-pay slip rurwami kube kune-pay slip ngiyahola angifuni ukubhadala ngakuyezwakala just imagine la ngibuya khona ngibuya kuhereza ngiphethe la uthi umntwana uyableed awubona ngishaya imoto ngiyagijima bengingazi ukuthi
O itse o na le di-Uber, o na le di-trucker tsa di sebeletsang. Those things magistrate wa
Ukgereza yini,
di-investigator including
Sibadle.
ditšhelete tsa hae ko
Yeah, so
bankeng.
ukuthi
Magistrate wa di-
Oh,
le Indian
Mara
leo,
baphuma
le
nge-Uber
Indian
ngelona,
leo.
okay. Now uheleza kwakho uheleza ngani?
i-Uber yami yaba involved accident phela
Ugereza ngani?
mamela
Yeah.
ngithi i-Uber yami yaba involved accident
Sure.
ngangithola bayi writer off
Sure.
uyangunderstand
Sure.
so ngayithengisa scrap ngathenga le moto le
Sure.
nangithi ngihereza ngama truck there's a friend of mine who's got a trucking company
Okay.
uyangibiza ngoba ngenza logistics mina
Sure.
ngizom-assista there and there uyangunderstand
Now
if
let's-
there is a job
Yeah.
khona manje umsebenzi awukho naye udraya ama-truck wakhe apakile
Sure.
so
Mamela ke Brazo ne. Ngicela mfethu ungizwisise kahle ukuthi ngiyaphi ngale ndaba. Na situation. Khona into ekhulumile uthi umama kumele acime isikoloto ne. Asicale mhlambe ngicela ukuhamba naye one by one. Umama inyuko ukuthi azafike kule 60,000 yena uzoyikhokha kanjani because ngicela into ewa and as I'm saying this I want you to remember the fact ukuthi it's not her responsibility akamlethanga umntwana emhlabeni. It's your responsibility. It can't be ukuthi azongena ezikweledini ubaba umntwana saphila. That's point number 1. Now, njoba uthi akhansele le ikweledi lezi uzoyibhadala ngane le 60,000 aseyayifaka ezikweledini ngayo.
ikhoti yiyo kumele siyodecide sibonisane mina ngazi even umagogo uzane lawyer yakhe
Sure.
lapho uyangunderstand
Sure.
so angi-understand ukuthi
Izifike court why izifike court?
mamela ngiboshiswa i-maintenance phela I'm not the only person oboshiswa i-maintenance
Yeah, true. But essentially ukuthi were you cooperating no mama in terms of makafuna ukucommunicate nawe ngendaba zengcosi ukuthi kumele into ezisona ziyashort.
no asicommunicate nomagogo
So ube wrong yini ngokuthi azakise court?
akekho wrong
So yini ebekwenza ukuthi wena umama uwazi ukuthi umama umntana akasekho ungakho ungenzi sure ukuthi because it can't be ukuthi responsibility yakhe yiphi ama rules wena obowayenza to make sure ukuthi incosi yakhe grand.
umagogo besilo olalo njengoba basho akantshela manga
Sure.
besi-right mara waqala kungithuka angidisrespect so mina umuntu
Nomoro wakho ma?
Kokai, ampulelle hore ampulelle ditlhapa because right now last year ka October mosadi wa hae o ke sa motsebe o ntshwarisitse a re nna
Wa
ke
mo
dula ke mo rohaka today a re ke rohaka yena
Okay, let's
a
come
re
up-
yena mosadi wa hae o supporta Karabo nna a ke tsebe a supporta Karabo because if bana ba supporta Karabo le mosadi wa hae nkabe ke sa mo isa maintenance nkabe ke sa mo tlisa mo paprel and mosadi wa hae ke yena a nrohakile
So communication
Yene. He
50-50.
didn't even come to court. I'm busy le ka yene. O tlo ntshwarisetsa harassment. He?
So, mama, o need uncle yena? O need uncle? Kopa mo jwetse hore o need uncle going forward.
Ke tholetse ngwana sekolo go boarding. I can't wake up in the morning. Karabo is the first to be first in the morning.
Yeah.
He is the last to be dropped off. Karabo tsama ka 4:15. Monday to Friday, ke tsoa ka 4:45. 4 o'clock ke tsosa Karabo. Ke a mqopa ulala abavile ka la maubani ke mo apesa school uniform and everything ona no go ba
Mara semdala lo mama for le responsibility.
special school
Mina angina
ona
problem.
no ba re Karabo they can wear
Utshela
anything
into
because the
esimple.
track suit
I
tsa
don't
bona
have
di
a
light.
source of income
Aye.
okay umbophisa kanjani umntwana no-source of income that's why icourt decide ithe court listen to me my guy I want to be honest lalela bangisesha ini it's fine abenza
Ore
investigation
una le
yabo baqede.
bokae ko bankeng
I don't have
that's
anything.
why
Ke kopa ummotse hore ka cheku
ke batla
going forward
3,000
kudingeka 3,000 Brazo per month
Ngithola isikolo
ukwenzela ukuthi ingosi
samwana,
yakho
I want to
ibhadalele because
register
uyawazi
the
ama
child.
condition.
Ke motholetse pleke
So senza njani ukuthi lo mama mfana yakhala mfethu akakwazi akakwazi ungasafara kanje Brazo.
mamela
nna nka se kgone o tso I got
Akakwazi
my
masafara
own
kanje.
chronics
kahle kahle
the whole weekend ke le ko sepetlele ka ra bona setse le mang ke le admitted
akusibonisana ukuthi senza mina ngina problem urwambo mamela
Ngicela ukubuza something
Nanka
Brazo.
into one
Yeah.
ufuna ube fair and honest usebenza ngabantu
Sure.
uyangithola
It's
uze ningilethe la
unfortunate
kubonakala ngathi umntwana wami
ngiyangithanda
ngiyangithanda
It's
No,
unfortunate
le point. The point. No, i point le.
ngiyabuza njengoba ngilapha bengiyobhadala mina lapha ngiyobhadala lapha uyangithola
The point.
so
Mara ke ngicela ukubuza on that note and no it true. Now that there's a situation eso ugogo semdala uyasafara for ukuthi ingcose lona. Mama, is it a problem ukuthi umntwana aye kubhudi since anonkosikazi ukuthi umntwana anakekele kahle?
apatale damage he a ke re o tshwantse a moshate ka sekibo
Okay, ngicela
Yo,
sisonke
hayi, hayi, ntho umusaphota kae ngwana hao?
Asithole
O tla
solution
dula
for
jwang le
ingozi
ngwana
mfethu.
ka na ntshwarisitse?
Asithole solution for ingozi ke.
Exposure angakhuluma kanjani?
Mama ya zomkhama down. Asenze kanje ke.
Ile ma-out wami uyangithola.
Kakhulu,
This
kakhulu,
matters
ngiyabonga.
in court. Ikoti
Mamela ke bras.
uyangithola.
Ngicela ukubuza. Let me talk to mfethu. I-solution yami kahle kahle mina ngifuna ingosi begrand. Ne? Mama ngicela usondele. Ijive ukuthi ingosi ihlawule and then ingosi wenze show ukuthi ulo.
Seku-right mos bafethu.
Mamela mfethu ngicela unake mina. Ingosi ukuthi ibe grand mfethu isn't it possible ukuthi umama uhlawule ingosi ngibe ngakuwe so that ingosi ibe safe mfethu.
Ngizokwenza
Because lomsebenzi ukuthi avuke umama alona yenze zonke lezi zinto mfethu. Isn't something ongakwazi ukuthi uyenze kodwa.
no akunayo i-problem bro.
Ase believe me bra. Because usemdala man for lezi zinto
Mamela
azibalayo.
bro wami ngithi mina I don't have a problem. Anginane attitude, angina problem.
True.
Uyangunderstand?
Sure.
Ngizobona ukuthi
And then le
ngihlanganisa
3000
3,000 yani.
e monthly la tuyayidinga for now ingosi inedingo mfethu manje. Ungamitha halfway kanjani? Because uthi lose 2000 every month. That's why ubona ngathi iyambambezela nento ekhona. La sikafuna ukukhuluma nawe mention ukuthi how can you meet her halfway in this meantime?
No, mina I'm very surprised makathi kumele ngikhiphe 3,000 kanjani because uma yazi this
Okay,
thing
that's why ngithi akubalele ukuthi yani 3000 so that ungazoba surprised.
ngikhiphe 3,000 every month.
Ngicela umbalele ukuthi yani it's not just imali yesikhomeni sakho. Mama khipha ube specific ukuthi ya 3000 I understand ukuthi ya ini.
Karabo hana next ba rwala teki ku
And it's
sekolo.
winter, uyezwa namhlanje shaka kanjani?
Hana di teki. Hana di pijama. Hana di tracksuit tsa mariga. Tse enough.
Le emergency price.
Yeah, tse enough. Tsa di jong ka se di bali because nna ke bana ba ka ke ba rekela
So
di.
le 3000 iyadayo. It's an emergency situation. Uyabona newera namhlanje.
Kufuneka amateko kufuneka yini?
Kupha awuqeda ukuzibala manje. Amateka, amapijama and then monthly le emergency untanini mawuthi uzomthengela price
Ngizomthengela weekend.
kule weekend le.
Yeah.
And then monthly o batla he o rotla direka tse. Monthly he o batla hore a o meet halfway ka bokae?
As from now onwards ke batla yone 1.5 eo a kere o bolela hore hana source of income mar magistrate o tlileng ha hona maintenance o cancelwang.
I cannot just put a commitment ukuthi ngizobhadala so ngingasebenzi. That is my main problem. Ngizothi kusasa. Now you need to commit yourself ngento owaziko ukuthi you are guaranteed.
So umntwana yenze njani in the meantime if when you can't put a commitment ngumntwana kwegazi lakho?
No, the only thing engayenza ngimit halfway. If I feel leyo mali, lokho kuncane enginako
But that's what I just asked ngimamela.
Kule
Lento ngicela ukuyisho leyo.
1.5 ngabeka 1,000.
Ilento ayikuyona into embi leyo. Shutha ngimamelanga brazo. Because ngisho njalo ukuthi uzomitha halfway kanjani. Because idingo zomntwana you can't postpone them. Nako ke uzevele usuyiphethe 600 can't it be some contribution oyenzayo kuyo ukuthi ahambe naye right for umntwana?
Angina problem nale mali. Vele beya ka doctor ngithi kuthiwa umntwana.
Bengicela mfethu wenze njalo for the sake of unqosi ukuthi namhlanje ibe grand. I would love ukuthi nibe ne peace.
Angina problem mina nale
As a
mali,
belief
understand?
man. As a belief man mfethu igazi lakho leli. Hayi no nika yena mfethu.
Anginika wena unike yena.
Hayi no ngicela unike yena mfethu. Ngiyanicela ukuthi kube ne relationship between the two. For the sake yale ngosi man. Bengicela brazo wenza isikhathi after sesambile. Ukuhlale phansi nomama umchazele ukuthi amandla akhe aphelela kuphi uzomitha kuphi halfway niseduze man. Yabona ngikwazi ukusebenzisana uzokwazi uyi-out mfethu ubone ukuthi ingosi yakho mangabe khona into wrong ukwazi to be there that relationship that you used to have as a belief ngiyayicela mfethu. Ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho. Sharp. So Friday weekend uyangithembisa ingosi uzoyenzela impahla nibe grand. Mama, rekatsa mamos.